Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Realme Buds Air True Wireless Earphones, which are the first true wireless earphones from this company. So let's look at the box. So with that, let's open up the box. We're just going to slide this off. And right here you see we have received the black variant for our review. So we're going to take this off and keep it aside for the moment and pull this off. In here you have a USB Type-C charging cable with a Type-A on one end and a Type-C on the other end. And here you have the user manual. And you have a bunch of instructions here as to how to use your device, how to pair, and the works. So we're going to set this aside too. So now let's look at the charging case itself. As you can see, it has a glossy black finish all over, and there's no Realme logo as well on the box. It's a very simple box. It doesn't have a lot of flashiness going on, but it does have an LED indicator here which tells you how much battery is left on your charging case. And if you can see this, it does have a button here on the box which is the pairing key. Also at the bottom you have the Type-C port from where you can charge this device, and that's it. That's about it for the box. So let's open up this charging case, and in here you can now see the earbuds themselves. Here on the inside you can see that it has a matte black finish instead of a glossy black finish like the outside, and upon pulling these earphones you can see that the insides are still glossy. So that's it for the charging case. Also, this charging case has a battery life of 14 hours and these earphones come with a battery life of 3 hours. So the total battery life of both together is a total of 17 hours. So let's set this charging case aside and let's look at the earphones themselves. So they have a pipe style look, the earbuds, and they also have a 45-degree angled nozzle for a better fit. Unfortunately, these don't have silicone earbuds on them, and those kind of earphones have known to be slightly problematic for smaller ears since they don't offer a really nice fit inside the ear. Anyway, the back part of these earphones right here is actually a touch panel. So you have a bunch of touch controls and you can control your playback and music through this touchpad, which is quite nifty. Also, these earphones come with auto detection, wear detection feature. So they employ optical sensors which reside right here, and these sensors understand if these earphones are inside your ear or if they've been taken out. And if they're inside your ear, the music keeps playing. If they've been taken out, the earphones stop playing the music. They basically just pause it momentarily until you put them back in your ears. The earphones also come with an R1 chip which allows super low latency. So basically these earphones can be put into gaming mode where the latency is super low and you don't feel like you're actually wearing Bluetooth earphones because the latency is as low as normal wired headphones as per the company. They also come with wireless charging as we said. So this case can just be placed on a key charger and it will light up here and you'll know that it has begun charging. Additionally, they also have bass boost drivers, which means that the bass will be enhanced. They come with Bluetooth 5.0, which means that connectivity should be seamless, and you also get 10 meters of wireless range or 33 feet of wireless range. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys.